Previously on Life with Naya.
Goal settings gonna go on. Chopping block is SMART goal setting. So this is when you set goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So instead of saying study math, you say finish 20 math problems by 7 p.m. For me, SMART goal setting is gonna go on the C2. We have note summarization. For me, note summarization is B tier. Because note summarization, it's great for when you're studying, but it doesn't actually help you with remembering that.
Wait a minute.
Okay, it's editing Naya here. I explained myself so badly as to why I put note summarization in the B tier, and I'm actually gonna take that back. Like, I would put note summarization in like the A tier or even the S tier.
You have been promoted. You are now one of my elite employees.
Because as I did with memory and actually memory, that's wrong. Because note summarization allows you to take your very complicated functionality and put it into a simpler form, or words that makes it easier to remember, and then you can better recall information when you're in the exam to answer that question. As a question, so next time I don't know what I was saying, okay? So next time, so forgive me, but I also where I had a whole summary book where I had all these memories, all the memories, all the definitely not it. So then I hand that in school. The next study technique, don't make fun of me, I can't pronounce it, is the SQ3R method. So this is a reading strategy where you survey, question, read, recite, and review the text. For me, this is an excellent study method. Not quite S tier though. So I'm gonna put it in the A tier. We have is highlighting strategically. This is not to be confused with highlighting excessively. This is a little bit of redemption for our highlighter warriors. You can still highlight, just make sure you're actually pointing out relevant information, but it's still not worthy of any of the higher tiers. So for me personally, this is going to be a C tier technique. Next we have checklist studying. For me, checklist studying is an amazing method, and it's a great way to make sure that you're staying on track and combating procrastination. So for that reason, I would put checklist studying at the A tier. Last but certainly not least is watching study videos without practicing. So I do think that watching study videos is a great study method, because sometimes hearing something explained to you in a different way can increase your understanding. But if you are just watching study videos without practicing beforehand or after you watch the video, then you're once again engaging in a form of passive learning. We're trying to be active learners, not passive learners. And so for that reason, watching study videos without practicing is going to go in the C tier. If you were to do it with practice, watching study videos with practice, then I would put that in my S tier. And that is it for my ranking of study techniques. Thank you so much for watching. If I attacked your favorite study technique, let me know in the comments down below and share how you would rank these study techniques. If you like this video, well, give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Bye!